What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Maddie here as always. If you're here for the first time, subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. I hear you guys, and we are diving truck content. And also, if you're watching this video, you probably have one day left to do 10-time entries for the giveaway GoPro and the DJI drone. Make sure to, hit to the website. A bunch of good stuff: hoodies, hats, puzzles, crazy. You guys know I need to work a lot in the truck, and it has been my fault. I feel really bad because I know the summer season, it's more a car season, but doesn't justify leaving my truck the way it is. And to start work on it, I need a jack. You guys know I have a quick jack, but the quick jack, first of all, on a lifted truck, it doesn't work. So I got myself asking the question, what is the best jack for a lifted truck, right? And that's what I'm gonna do today, so we can start, work on the truck. Just remember, when you are lifting your truck, a lot of things change, even the way you work on your truck. You need like a lift, the travels a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a bunch of things underneath of the truck that I need to take the wheels off. And today is just the first step, all right? I have the quick jacks, but the quick jacks are perfect for our cars like Corvette. This one I can lift with the quick jack because that's good for 5,000 pounds. But I don't have, you see, my ceiling is not high enough that I can put on underneath. And here are the brakes. This is the first thing I'm gonna do once I get the jack. So to get the jack, you have different lifting points when you have a lift truck. First of all, you cannot lift unless your jack is massive. Then you can lift on, on the jack points of the truck. Otherwise, it'll lift your truck or either on the differential middle or on the axles. All depends. You have many different options. But the jacks I have besides the quick jack doesn't do their job. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure here so you guys have idea if you want to lift your truck, how high it sits from the floor. And also I'm gonna have idea if the jack only travels like 13 inches, it's not gonna do anything for me, even though I'm probably gonna lift the truck from the axles or differential or whatever. I'm not gonna use the jack points, but I can use that same jack to lift my wife SUV, right? So let's measure and see where we are. If you are new to the channel, just to give you a reference, my truck has a 6-inch rough country lift kit. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure here. I don't know, I didn't measure when the truck was stocked, but I'm quite sure if you get the one for my truck, you can get one for your stock truck. Or if you wanna lift your truck on one day, or if you have an SUV and so on and so forth, right? So right now, from the floor, let's call 20 inches. You see here, it's 20 inches from the ground, and from the jack points you take like another inch, right? Anyway, the measurements I believe is gonna work. It has to be between 18 and 23. That's how much travel the jack has to have, and I think I'm going with at least 3 tons jack, right? With that being said, let's head to Harbor Freight and get our jack. All right, let's see if she's gonna start. Barely. That's how cold it is right now. Yeah, so that means we're gonna use this, and this is the other things that I need to do. I oil change. That's why I need a jack, even though I want to show you guys how to do an oil change on a lifted truck later on. All right, but let's get the jack. I'm coming here because I think they have a good price going on. So let's see what they have. So here are the options. What we're looking for is a twin, like how max that goes, and I want a low profile so I can use another car. Make sense? So this one, it's $229. This one here is $169, but it's not low profile, right? But I saw they have something down here, which is this one here, which is a low profile, 3 tons, goes up to 20 for $169. I think this one's the best choice. I'm not gonna pay $100 more, almost not 100, but $80 more for 3 inches, right? Since I need between 18 and up, so this one would definitely do it. Yeah, this one it's the best choice. I'm gonna get one and we'll see. 169, I think we cannot beat this one for sure. And it's a low profile. That's what I want, a low profile. A lot of people are gonna say this is not the best jack, but I'm trying to balance between what you get for what you pay, right? And this so far, it's basically everything that I'm asking for. Of course, it's a low profile, goes up to 20 inches, which I need about 18, so we good. Goes down to 3 inches and a quarter, which I think is gonna fit the Corvette. You know, it cannot beat $159. I think it is good. So let's open that boy. Manual. The quality is not bad though at all. It's heavy. I'm not sure if you noticed, I cleaned the truck. I got a car wash. I really like the finish though, but now it's the main thing. Can I lift my truck? This is how much travels. I'm gonna measure now. It's exactly 20 inches from the floor. See, 20 inches here. So let's see the low point. They say 3 1/4. Exactly 3 1/4. So they're not lying. Let's test on the truck. When I say 20 inches, is because 20 inches is here on the sidebars, but the jack points are lower. They are over here. You see, it still works on the truck, but here's like the max. If you have a regular truck, you definitely can use this on the jack points, but since we have a lifted truck, we're gonna lift by the differential. So I can take the wheels off now. Of course, I'm not gonna leave this. I will put jack stands right next to the axle. So it's pretty secure. This jack's pretty easy to use. Look at how high is the truck from the floor. So, and we do the same on the front. I know this is something that everybody who wants to lift the truck, it's worried about it. That's why I decided to show you guys, because I really need something like this to make work, because I need to do brakes, I need to do a bunch of work underneath, and even if I want to take the lift off, I think I can do with the jack and a couple of jack stands. Not that I'm gonna do it, but it's durable. I can do it. We can apply the same concept to the front. The main thing is, for $159, that jack will do. I'm quite sure it's gonna work on the Corvette. I'm not gonna show you now because, and even as I said, I have the quick jack, but sometimes you need something quick, just to maybe take a wheel off. The quick jack is like more a work kind of thing. Like if you're gonna do a big project, you definitely need the quick jack. But this one is gonna do $159. They're running a special offer in Harbor Freight. I'm not getting paid to say anything, but I think if you were looking for a jack, and a lot of people don't want to lift the truck, this is one of the reasons, because they're like, how am I gonna lift it? It's super secure, so it's super easy to use. Like if you want to bring it down, you just start bringing down. See how smooth it is? That's it. That's it. And you can take it off. There we go. I think now we are ready to start work on the truck. I did the first step, which was buying the jack and also clean. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Man, I'm super excited for the things that's coming now that I have the jack. I'll probably start recording tomorrow, so you're gonna get a bunch of truck content. Make sure to subscribe. Also, don't forget the giveaway, 10-time entries are live right now. This, if you miss the 15 times, 10 times is still a good multiplier. you can get it. I mean, that drone and that GoPro, you're gonna be set for do whatever you want. Make sure to check the website hardwareworkforce.com, and I'll see you guys next upload. Again, if you want a Daytona 3 tons, $159, you cannot beat that price, right? I'll see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.